Hello! Welcome to the series of System in Our Daily Life. In this series, we will tell you how our body processes our daily life. We have overall 5 series to tackle about, which is about when we wake up, eat, take a bath, exercise, and during sleep. Because knowledge is the key. Without further ado, let's start our series.
Meet John. Like you, he is very interested in learning the system of the body. And like you, John struggles with knowing what happens to our nervous system when we wake up. So let's help John solve his problem. So what happens? The neurotransmitters norepinephrine helps you wake up and increase blood pressure. Histamine activates wake-promoting neurons outside of the hypothalamus, and serotonin supports us in wanting to get up out of bed and start the day. That's how nervous system wakes us up. How about the endocrine system? So what happens in the endocrine system when we wake up? Hormones give us a wake-up call in the morning. Levels of the hormone cortisol dip at bedtime and increase during the night, peaking just before waking. So that's what happens when we are awake.
Hello, awesome students! Together, let's find out how does our body processes eating. This is going to be a scrumptious study. Let's start. When we eat, hormones work to ensure that we consume the right amount of food we need to fuel our bodies each day. That's right, we have a borderline for us not to overeat. Ghrelin, or the hunger hormone, will tell our brain that we're hungry. It's produced by the stomach, where it promotes appetite. Our food is turned into energy and storage of fat. While leptin, on the other hand, is produced by fat cells and signals the brain that we're full. They're the hormones responsible for signaling the brain when it's time to eat and to stop eating. If these hormones don't function properly, it can promote obesity. That's how we process food. Just a tip, just don't forget to brush our teeth and our tongue to prevent potential oral health problems. Welcome to series number 3, which is taking bath. So why does taking bath every day important? Because taking a bath can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of your body responsible for relaxation. As your nervous system adjusts to the warming effect of the water around you, you begin to experience lowered levels of stress and increases the level of serotonin, which is a chemical produced by the brain associated with happiness and well-being. So taking a bath is a great way to start your day with that mood stabilizer hormones.
In the endocrine system, when exercising, there is a greater demand from muscle tissue for blood glucose for fuel, causing blood glucose levels to drop. Glucagon levels consequently increase with exercise, and insulin levels are simultaneously suppressed. Adrenaline and noradrenaline also help to enhance cardiac function by increasing heart rate, shrinking blood vessels and increasing blood pressure. This in turn helps to distribute blood flow to active tissues. providing these tissues with the energy and oxygen they need. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins. These endorphins interact with the receptors in your brain that reduce your perception of pain. Endorphins also trigger a positive feeling in the body, similar to that of morphine. In the nervous system, as blood flow increases, your brain is exposed to more oxygen and nutrients. Exercise also induces the release of beneficial proteins in the brain. These nourishing proteins keep brain cells, also known as neurons, healthy and promote the growth of new neurons. Neurons are the working building blocks of the brain. So if you want to experience those hormones, have a healthy lifestyle, and exercise your body systems, then come work out with us. How does sleeping work in endocrine and nervous system? In the nervous system, during sleep, your sympathetic nervous system, which controls your fight or flight response, gets a chance to relax. Studies have shown that when we are deprived of sleep, sympathetic nervous system activity increases, which is also mirrored by an increase in blood pressure. During sleep, the heart beats quickly, blood pressure rises, eyes dart around, and breathing becomes rapid and shallow. In the endocrine system, hormones flood your body. Melatonin released by the pineal gland controls your sleep patterns. Levels increase at nighttime, making you feel sleepy. That's why it is so important to have an ample amount of sleep during the night.